Hi friends, in this lecture we will study about how to find out the solution of a linear differential equation. So now we will study about how to find out Pi by using variation of parameter. So general form of linear differential equation is d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q of y equal to r of x, where r is a function of x and p and q are the constants. So first of all, you have to write down this in operator form. So that means we are replacing this d square y by dx square with capital D square and dy by dx with capital D. So therefore d square plus pd plus q of y equal to r of x, where d means d by dx. So write down auxiliary equation. So for any method, complementary function is common. So first of all, we have to equate this d square plus pd plus q, that means f of d we are equating to 0. So according to the nature of the roots, I have to write down the complementary function. So let us assume that c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. That means suppose 1, 2 are the roots. Then what is cf? So c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. So in case of this, we are considering this is u of x and this is v of x. So after that, we are assuming that pi, directly pi equal to a into u of x plus b into v of x. So u means and v. So now our aim is to find out the values of a and b. So how to find out a and b? So a equal to minus integral vr upon w into dx. V means, so this one, and r is the right side value of this equation, and w. So how to find out w? So w equal to 2 by 2 determinant of uv, derivative of u and derivative of v. And similarly w equal to integral ur upon w into dx. So using these two formulas, you have to find out the values of a and b, and you have to substitute in this, we will get the pi. So we can solve any problem by using this variation of parameter or general method. Already I explained general method. So we can solve any problem by using these two methods. See one example. So d square y by dx square plus y equal to sec x, solve by using variation of parameter. So first of all, you have to compare with the general equation d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q of y equal to r of x. So p value is 0, q value is 1, and r of x equal to sec x. So write down this is in operator form, that is d square plus 1 of y equal to sec x. So auxiliary equation is, we are equating this f of d to 0. So that is d square plus 1 equal to 0. That means we will get d square equal to minus 1. Therefore d equal to plus or minus I. So in case of roots are imaginary, in the form of plus or minus beta I. So what is the CF? C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. So beta value is 1 in this, therefore C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Now we are write down the pi. So pi equal to a cos x plus b sin x. So general formula is a u of x plus b v of x. So where u value is cos x and v value is sin x. So find w. So w equal to, what is w? So 2 by 2 determinant of u, v, u dash, v dash. U value is cos x, v value is sin x, derivative of cos minus sin x, derivative of sin is cos x. So multiply this. So cos into cos square minus of minus sin square. So cos square plus sin square is, we will get 1. Now find a. So a equal to minus integral vr upon w into dx. So v value is sin x and r value is sec x upon w is 1. So write down this is 1 upon cos. So sin into 1 upon cos is sin by cos, that is tan x. Integral of minus integral tan x is log mod cos x. So similarly find b. So b equal to integral ur by w into dx. So u value, u equal to cos x, r value is sec x upon 1. So product of these two is 1. Integral 1 dx means x. So therefore pi equal to generally a u plus b v. So u value is cos, v value is sin. So b value already you calculated, a value simply you have to substitute those values. Therefore general solution is y equal to cf plus pa. So see one more problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus a square of y equal to tan ax. So first of all write down this is in operator form, that is d square, capital D square plus a square of y equal to tan ax. So d means, capital D means d by dx. So auxiliary equation is we are equating this value to 0. So that is m square plus a square equal to 0. So therefore m equal to plus or minus ai. So complementary function is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Now we are assuming this is u and this is v. So suppose, so directly we are assuming pi equal to a cos a, actually a u plus b v. So u value is cos ax, b value is sin ax. Substitute in this a cos ax plus b sin ax. Then find w. W equal to 2 by 2 determinant of u, v, u dash, v dash. U value is cos ax, v value is sin ax, and derivative of cos ax, that is minus sin ax into a, that is minus a sin ax. Similarly derivative of sin, that is cos ax into a, that is a cos ax. Multiplying this, a into cos ax into cos ax, that is cos square ax minus of again minus of minus plus sin square ax. So that is a into sin square plus cos square, that is 1. 1 into a is a. Now find pi. So pi equal to, actually we have to calculate this a value. A equal to minus integral vr by w into dx. So v value is sin ax, r value is tan ax, and w is a. So write down this tan is sin by cos. So sin into sin, sin square can be write as 1 minus cos square ax upon cos ax. So separate this, 1 upon cos, 1 upon cos ax minus cos square ax upon cos ax. 1 by cos means sec ax minus 1 cos square, 1 cos will get cancelled, so remaining is cos ax. So integral of sec ax, that is log sec ax plus tan ax upon x coefficient a minus integral of cos ax. So integral of cos ax is sin ax upon x coefficient is a. So multiply this, take this a common, a into a square into remaining value. B equal to integral ur by w into dx. U value is cos ax, r is tan ax. So tan can be write as sin by cos. So this cos and this cos get cancelled. So integral of sin. So integral of sin is minus cos ax upon a. Already here one more a is there. A into a square. So minus cos ax upon a square. Therefore pi equal to, right, actually a ux plus b vx. U value is cos ax, v value is sin ax, and write down the a value and b value, and therefore y equal to CF plus PI. Write down the value of CF and PI. So solve these problems.